Hi, hello. My name is Robert Kozlowski. I've coated some sticks, well, I should say 3/8" square dowels with no embers, my flame retardant for wildfires, and I'm now recording how they burn. And let me say the one on the left apparently is coated on 3 sides. Then there's one coated on 4 sides, and there's one coated on 2 sides, and then there's a control, and we can see that the control must be the one on the right since it's burning very vigorously, and the one second from the right must be the one that's coated on 4 sides because it's hardly burning. And then we see what happens when you have 2 partially coated ones on the left. Actually, I've mixed these up, so I'm not sure which is which. But in a real fire situation, one always wonders what happens if everything isn't perfectly coated with the no embers flame retardant. And we see that if you coat it on at least 2 sides, there's a dramatic difference between the sticks that's coated on 3 sides, which is all the way to the left, and then the one coated on 2 sides, which is second from the left. And actually the one that's second from the right, that is coated, then there's an empty spots, and then coated again. And we can see that where the embers are forming, where it's not coated. And we can see a dramatic difference between the even partially coated versus the fully coated, or uncoated I should say, which now is burned to the top and is beginning to burn some more, and you have a very distinct red ember has already formed. Numerous embers in fact have formed on the uncoated, which is all the way to the right. We've been burning for 2 minutes and 40 seconds. So the whole point of this demonstration is to see that you greatly reduce the rate at which things burn if you even have partially coating. And I'm really surprised how well it does when you only have half of the sides coated. That is dramatic difference in the flame temperatures, or I should say in the rate of burn. That the uncoated is completely consumed, and the other 3 sticks are obviously going to burn a very long time now that the fire is burned down. So the whole point here is that, again, demonstrating that the no embers syrup greatly reduces the rate at which fuel is consumed, and it also greatly reduces the burning embers. In fact, let me go around to the sides here, and we see no burning embers on the ones that are coated, and then the uncoated sides you see a very tiny burning ember. And the one that's coated on 3 sides doesn't show any ember at all yet. So at this point I consider this quite a successful demonstration, and I'll go ahead and discontinue at nearly 5 minutes.